Good morning everyone. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 2.2. Prove the following. Question number first. 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse in bracket 3x minus 4x cube, where x does not belong to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Now take RHS. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Let x is equal to sin theta. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse x. This now write sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. X is equal to sin theta. Put here in place of x sin theta. Sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. X power 3, so x sin power 3 theta. Since we know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. This is formula of sin 3x. So according to this formula you can write sin inverse sin 3 theta. So sin inverse sin 3 theta. So since sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, so you can write 3 theta. Theta replace according to this 3 sin inverse x. LH, yes, this is proof. Question number 2. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse in bracket 4x power 3 minus 3x, where x belong to 1 by 2 to 1. So now take RHS, you can show LHS. So cos inverse 4x power 3 minus 3x. Now let x is equal to cos theta. So now put x is equal to cos theta here. So you can write minus cos inverse 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Since cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta, this is formula cos 3 theta. So cos inverse you can write cos 3 theta cos 3 theta. So since cos inverse cos x is equal to x, so you can write 3 theta. So theta implies that theta is equal to cos inverse x. So now you can say 3 cos inverse x. LHS. This is 8. Question number 5th. Write the following function in the simplest form. Tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x not equal to 0. Change into tan inverse tan form. This change into tan. So tan inverse tan this according to this formula you can solve. So now let x is equal to tan theta. So now change x. So tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So tan inverse root 1 plus tan square, so root sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So also you can write tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Also you can write sec 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So also change tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta upon sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta cancel out. So tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Use formula half angle. So you can write tan inverse 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 upon sin theta 2 sin theta into cos theta by 2 theta by 2. So minus tan inverse 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 1 cancel out and tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So sin cancel out, 2 cancel out. So tan inverse sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. So tan inverse tan theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2. Change this. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So 1 by 2 into theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Question number 6. Change into simplest form. Tan inverse 1 upon root sec square minus x square minus 1. So let x is equal to sec theta. So now change x in sec theta. So tan inverse 1 upon root sec square theta minus 1. So tan inverse 1 upon root tan square theta. So identity sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So tan inverse 1 upon tan theta. So tan inverse 1 upon tan cot theta. So now change cot theta in tan. So tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. So tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So tan inverse tan theta, so pi by 2 minus theta. Since tan inverse tan x is equal to x, according to this you can change this. So theta change in x, so theta is equal to sec inverse x. So now change pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. This is answer. Thank you.